Hi, this is Lisa Merrill, and this is my school library promotion plan presentation. I live in Morris, Oklahoma. It's a small rural community. The school that my library is at is the Morris Elementary Eagles. We are grades pre-K through 5th. Our student population is 508. We have a free and reduced lunch rate of 67%, so we're pretty high, low socioeconomic rate. Ethnicity of our students are 46% Caucasian, 28% Native American, 20% multiracial, 3% African American, 2% Hispanic, and 1% Asian. Our stakeholders include students, parents, faculty, and staffs, the school board, several local small business owners. We also have a ministerial alliance of all the churches in the community, and the Lions Club is very supportive of our school programs too. Our curriculum is teacher developed, and it's all based on Oklahoma academic standards. We do not have a set textbook curriculum because we haven't been able to purchase any in so many years. So the teachers develop their own. They use the Oklahoma academic standards as pacing guide and the basis for all of their curriculum. The school library slogan that I selected goes with our elementary slogan, which is Morris Elementary is a great place to be. And so I chose MES Library, a great place to explore, discover, and learn to soar like eagles. The overall goal and objective that I chose to share was for students, parents, teachers, and community to view our library as a place that supports learning as well as provides opportunities for learning to take place. And one of the objectives that goes with this is to build positive relationships with stakeholders. Up until just recently, our library has been a very active part of our elementary school, but in the past 5 years with the funding cuts, we have been cut back to a half-time or part-time librarian who is retired and no designated library aide that's there all the time. So I'd like for that to be built back up. The toolkit helped me to identify stakeholders and who they are in their roles, and it helped with giving strategies such as utilizing social media, newspaper, and communicating with schools or the school to incorporate into promotion ideas. And then I use the links to the customizable brochures and the links to the videos with the YouTube video. The community group that I chose to cover was the school board, and my plan would be to attend a quarterly school board meeting at the beginning of each quarter. And during the very first meeting, I would give a short presentation on the library program and success stories. I would also include any future needs or wants so that the superintendent and school board members could be aware and start planning for upcoming budget decisions. And then also during that initial presentation, I would like to show the YouTube video that School Libraries Matter, the changing role of the school librarian. It's a pretty short YouTube video and just made a huge impact on me when I watched it for the first time. And then I would also attend a final board meeting in June to present student and library data to show growth and the impact on student learning, and also to offer thanks for the continued support of our library program. And during each quarter, I would plan to attend at the beginning just to give a quick update and again to share success stories and data. And that's the conclusion of my school library promotion plan.